everybody, Allie here from Parkside Nutrition, and today I am talking about the brand new class coming to you August 9th from Parkside Nutrition. So it's 5 weeks long, 100% online, super flexible with your busy schedule. This is going to be your step-by-step guide to eating better, more exercise, and better sleep. It's going to cover it all. We're really building that healthy lifestyle. So all you're going to do, because everybody's short on time, is watch 2 to 5 short videos each week, and these are going to give you bite-sized habits that you can incorporate in your daily life so you can jumpstart your fat loss journey or just build lifelong healthy habits. Whether you want recipes, meal plans, I got them. If you don't want meal plans and recipes, I still got you. We're going to personalize this so it's really going to fit your lifestyle, what your goals are right now. We're going to look at chronotyping, so how to organize your day. Should you be working out in the morning? Should you be working out in the evening? When should you be eating your meals? Should you be doing intermittent fasting? Should you not be doing intermittent fasting? We're going to cover all of that. We're going to look at your sleep, how to improve your sleep habits. We're going to learn how to plan a menu for the week. We're going to learn how to shop and save some money. We're going to learn how to prep our food, if you can prep your food ahead of time, or if you have a family and you have to cook dinner every day. We're going to go over that. We're going to look at how to take the stress out of eating healthy. It doesn't have to be stressful. We're going to ease into it. And then we're also going to look at how we're going to eat. So a lot of people focus on what's on your plate, but we're also going to talk about how do you literally get the food from your plate into your body. Then we're also going to look at macros. We're going to learn how to track food, multiple ways to track food. It doesn't always have to be all about macros and weighing things. There's so many ways to do it. We're going to find a way that really works for you. So we're building that awareness of what we're eating, but in a way that we can sustain for the long run. Then we're also going to change our mindset. So mindset's a huge piece of the puzzle, and it's something that we really need to address before we can really dive in to a lot of the nitty-gritty details as far as like how many grams of this or how many grams of that you're eating. So all of that in this 5-week long course, totally online, in your own time, but plus the accountability and extra support of weekly Facebook Live videos, plus the support of the Parkside Nutrition Facebook community. So with all of that, I hope to see you in the class.